In this section, we're learning about the principle of diminishing returns. When we look at diminishing returns, what we're saying is, anytime you're producing a good or a service with one or more input, if you hold one of those inputs constant and increase the amount of the other input, output will increase, but it will increase at a decreasing rate. Diminishing returns, what we're saying is, anytime you're producing a good or a service with one or more input, if you hold one of those inputs constant and increase the amount of the other input, output will increase, but it will increase at a decreasing rate. We can see that here in this example. Suppose we're producing corn, and one of our inputs is fertilizer. Well, as we add fertilizer to the production of corn, we're going to see the output of corn going up. But as we can see, what we're looking at is a fixed amount of land. So how much corn per acre do we get? Well, with 0 bags of fertilizer, we get 85 bushels of corn per acre. If we increase the amount of nitrogen fertilizer from 0 bags to 1 bag, we get an increase in bushels of corn per acre from 85 to 120. So we can see there's an increase of 120 minus 85, which is 35 bushels of corn per acre. If we go from 1 bag of fertilizer to 2 bags, we have another increase. It goes from 120 up to 135. This is an increase of only 15. So we can see that while output is rising, it's rising at a decreasing rate. The initial increase here is an increase of 35 bushels. Now we've got an increase of 15 bushels from the first to the second. If we look at the increase from the second to the third bags, our increase is only going to be 9 bushels of corn per acre. And then when we move from the third to the fourth, we can see that there's an increase of output, but the increase is only 3 bushels of corn per acre. So while all of our increases are positive, the increases are increasing, but they're increasing at a decreasing rate. That's the principle of diminishing returns.